Hey Archie, thanks for joining me today. We're going to chat a little bit about the Ambassador Program, some of your community work, so you can start off just by introducing yourself.
All right, my name is Ayrat Khayretdinov. People in the community know me as Archie. I'm based in Canada. I work for a company called CloudOps. We help developers and SRE teams to own their destiny in the cloud. So our idea is, use as much as possible cloud-native applications and CNCF projects. So it's a big part of our daily job.
Awesome. So what was the first cloud-native project that you participated in?
Maybe 4 years ago, I was very actively working with another open source community called OpenStack. Mm-hmm. So my first engagement with Kubernetes project was with SIG OpenStack, where we're helping integrate Kubernetes with OpenStack basically to using their load balancers and storages from OpenStack. That's how it's actually started. And then I've noticed that I'm probably the only representative from Canada. So I went back home and started to present at Docker meetups, Kubernetes OpenStack meetups, and that actually led me to start the Kubernetes meetup in Montreal. And it was very successful, so that I decided to run those meetups across multiple cities. Pretty much know all the developers.
That's awesome. So what do you see as the next big thing in the cloud native or container ecosystem?
Going forward in the future, I think serverless with Kubernetes, and we want to really simplify application developers workflow on Kubernetes. So projects like Knative is going to be definitely very, very interested, and we see the whole industry, different companies adopting it and starting to contribute.
So we talked a little bit about some of your work with the meetups and the community and all of that. Why did you want to be part of the Ambassador Program?
Pretty much in my case, it was like a core for me. I've been doing this, but I didn't know that this ambassador program exists. So somebody contacted me and saying, "Hey, you're doing a great job. Why are you not gonna apply for ambassador?" And so yeah, why not? Pretty much the people who were ambassadors were all my friends. So I'm so excited to be part of this team. And we keep a very good relationship. Every KubeCon we're meeting together.
I think that's one of my favorite things about the Ambassador Program is there's so many individuals in the community doing this work already. I think it's great to bring them together and recognize
Absolutely,
that.
Yeah. And we have not only meetup organizers, we have people who really kind of made a lot of investment in the community itself.
We've talked a lot about work. Tell us a fun fact about yourself.
One fact is that I'm wearing the Kubernetes hoodie or ambassador hoodie pretty much everywhere. I was taking flight, and the guys on the security border, they're like, "You using Kubernetes?" And I was like, "Wow, how you guys know?" I was like, "Oh, we heard about the meetups and everything." So just seeing how many people familiar with Kubernetes, it's just fantastic.
Very cool. Well, thank you so much for joining me today.
Absolutely. Thank you very much.